Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Brett's Brain. Today we're going to talk about how a weekly stand-up can really help your startup. And I don't care if you have 2 employees or 100 employees. It's something I think every startup should employ across their entire organization. Now, we've talked in the past a little bit about how to set great KPIs and why they're important. We've also talked about how to set great goals for your startup. But if you're not reporting on these goals and you're not talking about them on a regular basis, your company is going to lose its way. A great way to remind people of what you're working towards and how you're doing in that path towards that goal is to have a weekly stand-up. When I was running startups still, we actually did 2 weekly stand-ups. We would do one every Monday and one every Friday. On Mondays, we would set the stage. Here's where our KPIs are. Here's a reminder of what they are. And here's what our big goal is for the week. I would do it at the entire enterprise level. And then I would have my team leads talk about their individual teams and what their goals are. And then on Fridays, we would report, how did we do? How did we move our KPIs forward? Did we hit those goals that we set for ourselves earlier in the week? It was a great tool. It was a great way to remind our employees what we were working towards and what is most important to move our business forward. It also did a couple of other things. It added a little bit of competitive spirit in the organization. It added some public accountability for each individual team. And it was done in a really healthy, fun way where we were supporting each other and being supportive, but it still had got some juices flowing. It's a great tool that I think you should be using if you're an early stage startup. So if you're not doing it right now, start them right away.